Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Living Muslim here at the OnePath Network. We're going to be talking today about bullying. So I want hands, if you can tell me what does bullying mean?
It means like tease them and physically abuse them or mentally abuse them, and to basically judge them on their appearance.
Absolutely, well done, good answer. Okay, someone else?
Bullying means when you threaten someone or judge them about their personality, how they look.
Another important question I feel we need to ask, has there anyone in this room ever been bullied?
When I was in year 5, a girl tried to pull my scarf off and she started teasing me about it, calling the scarf a garbage bag and whoever wears it's garbage. And then she tried pulling it off.
And how did that make you feel?
It made me feel like really sad and angry. And one of my best friends, started actually telling her what to say with it while we were having the fight.
They bully me because I'm small and I'm 9 years old. I'm changing schools because of that. And I only had one friend and she always stuck up for me. She used to help me. I kept on telling the teacher, but the teacher wouldn't do anything. And then she went to the principal office, but then she didn't do the principal didn't do anything and gave her a sticker. And then it kept on happening, and then one day I bring my diary to school and I left it in my bag. She took it and then she opened it, and then there was a photo of me when I was a baby. Then she started laughing at it and saying that it was ugly, and that's why I got bullied, because of my height.
Wafa, I want to tell you something. How did that make you feel when someone bullied you? How did that make you feel? Did you go home and tell your mum, or tell me how it made you feel?
It made me feel sad. Every day I'll go home, go on my bed and start crying.
Wow. Is it still happening?
Well, I'm changing school.
Okay. It's very important, kids, when you get bullied, you need to speak up. You can't remain silent. You can't go home and just accept it and think it's normal. You have to talk. When I was growing up at school, if we spoke out against bullies, we were called dobbers and we got called nasty names. But now we're in 2019, things are different. When someone bullies you, you need to tell that person, hey, stop, you're bullying me, and you need to make a stance straight away. So the first person you need to speak to at school is a teacher. And try to get witnesses as well. Try to get your friends to all come together and tell the truth, okay? Because this is not acceptable. So we're gonna all go to the screens now, we're gonna watch a video, and I want your reaction, okay? So I need you to look at this video and watch it very, very carefully, and then I'll talk to you later.
Alright, Jamal, Leon, come here. What? Don't type on the comment now.
Tell us, how did that make you feel?
That made me feel like really sad, and like it made me feel really disturbed, and
Did it bring
made me
back
speak.
memories? Because that almost happened to you. That happened to you. They
Yeah.
tried ripping off your scarf.
Yeah, it made me like feel really sad for that girl, especially for the girl who got beat up in the bathroom, and made me bring back really bad memories about it and all that kind of stuff.
If you seen that happen in front of you, what would you do?
I would move him away from each other.
You'll stop it
Yeah.
straight away? Would you take out your phones and record?
No.
And that's what's happening now. It's become very normal. When someone sees a fight, they pull out their phones and they start recording. Who can tell me the reasons why they record? Why they're recording the fight?
so that they could get views, like to get famous and to look at that video and think about
How many likes and shares they can get, yeah?
yeah.
Perfect. If you witness someone getting bashed, whether she wears a scarf or doesn't wear a scarf, whether she's black, white, Chinese, we don't care. We're not racist. Whoever the person is, if you witness and see someone getting bashed, you need to stop. You need to protect that person. Because that person, we're going to be asked for on the Day of Judgment. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is going to ask us, what did you do when you seen something? Did you try to stop it? Did you try to speak against it? Did you at least try to do something? What do you think the teacher should do in that situation when they witness or they see the fight happening?
They shouldn't just stand around and just look at the fight. They should go and just pull them away from each other and tell them stop fighting, and if they keep on doing it, then she should or he should go and keep on stopping or tell the principal or something.
This has been so awesome. Spending time with you, talking to you guys about bullying. We've had some beautiful answers for each and every one of you. Thank you very much for coming. And remember, when you see a bully, you're meant to what? Stop and tell them they're bullying and go straight to the teacher. And don't you ever think that you're a dobber by doing that, because you're standing up for yourself. And remember, if there's anyone bullying others, you need to stop them as well. Not just because you didn't get bullied doesn't mean anything. If you see someone else getting bullied, you need to stop her as well. Thank you very much for coming, guys. Give yourselves a clap.